Hey guys, Shoelacer101 here, and today I've gotten a package from Seed Fingerboards. Zerjamin, you see some, I think. So, yeah, I'll be unboxing it. So yeah, there's a big envelope. I just ripped it open. It's really sealed. So yeah, here it is. Oh my gosh. Wow. I ordered chrome trucks. So yeah, I ordered this deck, tea spray, and this, and I have 2 free sheets of tape pre-cut. So yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, I'll just open it. So excited. Wow, it's really nice. This is a S1 deck, by the way. So yeah, it's my favorite shape. Wow, nice plies. It's all red plies, which is really nice. Like you can see, it's kind of red there. So open that. Whoa, nice. Oh my gosh. Deck. Red plies. Wow. And other stuff. So yeah.